I'd like to present the two flyers that I've designed for the charity Helping Hands. The one on the left is for America, the one on the right is for China. The one on the left, the American one, is primarily blue because blue typically relates to trust and dependability. It also has a lot to do with loyalty. It's a good color to have on a flyer because people are going to be more drawn to it. They're going to feel like this is going to be a great organization, and that's just something that has happened over time in American culture. On the right, the China side, green typically means the same thing in China. It means prosperity, it means helpfulness, which is the point of these charities. I've chosen to use straight lines in the flyers. It helps the whole thing flow a lot better. As you can see, they both have the heading at the top in their respective colors. Below it, they have a box and a color similar to the title, just to make it stand out a little bit more. Below it is the logo, and below that is an image that most closely represents. The one on the left has a bunch of females because in America it's more common for females to volunteer, and usually people associate volunteering and females together. The one on the right represents people of all different ages. In China, it's a very diverse population. There is a lot more older generation of people, and they kind of pride themselves on being able to help each other out. Uh, and then below that is another box with some more text in it. This kind of helps it flow. There's also the logo that's in black. The logo is the same for both countries because it represents power, and being able to help people is very powerful, and it stands out and it makes people feel good, and that's why it's remaining in black. Also on the bottom is the documentation or the citation for the picture and the image.